Hello everyone, welcome back to the Powerhouse Idea short video session. In this video, I'll be analyzing Nifty 50 in less than 3 minutes. In addition to what I do in the previous videos, I'll be using multi-time frame analysis for explaining you in a better way that how do we identify support and resistance for Nifty 50 and how these levels hold importance and how Nifty might react to these levels. So for a better understanding or better learning, I'll be slightly extending the time period of this analysis, but it will be worth. So watch it till the end. So in the previous videos, we analyzed that Nifty 50 after an uptrend gave a correction as highlighted by these two black trend lines. After this correction, Nifty gave a breakout and formed a triangle pattern as highlighted by this green triangle. Recently, Nifty gave a breakout over here. So in the previous video, I discussed on 20th May 2021 in the evening video I uploaded in the evening that this yellow dotted support will be holding importance. On the very next day on 21st, we found that from this area itself, Nifty gave a gap up and rallied to the upside. On 20th May, I also shared two levels with you, that is 15,122 and 15,186, rounded off to 15,120 and 15,190. On 21st May, Nifty gave a breakout of 15,120 comfortably. However, today we can see that 15,186 was holding much importance and Nifty formed a doji pattern at this level. After forming a doji pattern at this level, let us go to a smaller time frame to understand it better. As you can see, on 3-hour time frame that 15,186 has holded as a support today and we can see some wick rejections over here. So next level for tomorrow will be the next and nearest support will be 15,186 and on the downside as already informed 15,122 will be acting as the second support. Now the big question is that till what time we can consider Nifty to be bullish or bearish. So as per my understanding, my analysis, till the time Nifty does not break this level, that is 14,876 as highlighted by this yellow line, till that time Nifty won't be considered bearish. It is still bullish because there is a trend line, that this green trend line, lower part of the triangle, which is forming a higher high and higher low pattern. So till the time this level is not broken, let me highlight, till that time we won't be bearish on Nifty, because if this level is broken to the downside, it will result in broke of this yellow support and also this green trend line. So this level will be holding much importance in judging the direction of Nifty. Now let us go to a more smaller time frame to understand the levels better. As you can see today on a 15-minute time frame, let me reset it for you. As you can see today on 15-minute time frame, in the very first 15 minutes, Nifty created a high over here. And in the later part of the day, this high was again tested, but again fall to the support already shared with you. So this level will be holding much importance when Nifty will try to go on the upside. So this level should be considered at the time a movement, Nifty shows a movement on the upside. That is 15,250 is a new level which has emerged for us, which can be the next resistance for Nifty. On the upside, another level was already shared to you in the previous video, which was 15,360. So let me summarize the levels for you in which Nifty might react in the coming days. Those are on the upside 15,250 and 15,360 are the levels on the upside which might work as resistance. On the downside, the immediate support is 15,186. After that, the support is 15,122, rounded off to 15,120. And then the next support is 14,876. This is the decisive level for judging the direction of Nifty, whether Nifty is bearish or bullish. So anything above 15,876 will be considered bullish, and anything below 14,876 will change the trend, overall trend of Nifty, and Nifty will again turn to be bearish. So this is a short analysis of Nifty 50 in less than 2-3 minutes, I guess. I hope you like these kind of videos. If you like it, share it with your friends so that it can motivate us to bring more such videos for you. Till that time, I will see you in the next video. Till that time, take care.